Hello everyone, I am Karthik Seth from ViewSonic. Today I will introduce you with few of most exciting features my Ubot software, which will provide teacher a seamless teaching experience. It will it is available free of cost for all educators to make the most use out of it. As we have partnered with Google, browser is embedded in MyViewBoard. Teacher no need to go leave the dashboard and open Google Chrome in another window. They can just open a browser from MyViewBoard app and drag and drop file however they needed. Any images or video can be directly drag and drop and brought to the canvas for teacher to explain things visually. Same drag and drop can be done for YouTube video as well. Another features which let us stand out from the competitor is that we have binded multiple cloud storage in our software. We have Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, OneDrive. Let's take an example in my viewport software. Their daily lectures in other format also in the cloud. Like this, if I want to save on Google Drive, we have a different file format for the saving. Like we have a PNG, JPG, PDF, PPT. Teacher can save whole lecture in PDF file also.
Another feature we have integrated in my viewport is artificial intelligence pen. Let me show you how it works. Go to the toolbar menu and select AI pen from here. Let's say if a teacher wants to explain about car. So instead of going on Google and search for it, teacher can roughly draw a car like this. And AI pen will automatically detect few alike pictures. It can simply be drag and drop to the dashboard, or if a teacher wants to explain more about the same, they can simply long press it. It will take directly to Google. Real life images can also be drag and dropped on the canvas. Same process can be done for videos as well. As you can see, videos and all the pictures have been brought down to the canvas.
Now I will introduce you to another exciting feature which is handwriting to text. Those teachers who want to show clear text on their board, they can use this feature which is convert handwriting into text so that the student can understand better. Let's take an example. After writing, you can select this button. It will convert into handwriting to proper text manner. Let's it will change accordingly to your what you write on the board. ViewSonic is also partnered with Microsoft Education. One of the features integrated from Microsoft Education ecosystem is Immersive Reader, which can be very useful for language teachers. Let me show to how to bring a document in my from my local drive. Select Immersive Reader. Will create new window for the open. Features of immersive reader is it has the ability to read the whole document for the student to understand pronunciation better.
India is my country. All
Also,
Indians are my
teacher can
brothers and sisters.
control the
I
speed
love my
also.
country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my.
Another feature is the teacher can elaborate part of speech, means like nouns, verb, adjective can be shown to student to make easy for teacher to make him student understand. Like this: what is noun, what is verb, what is adjective, what is adverb from in this paragraph. And last feature is it can translate all the paragraph into other language, like we have a Bangla, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil in Indian language. Let's take an example of Hindi. The whole document will be converted into Hindi like this, and you can play it also.
भारत मेरा देश है सभी भारतीय मेरे
In India, there are multiple state boards who provide education in their different local languages. MyView board also support different local languages like Hindi, Tamil, Kannada to provide seamless teaching experience. For instance, teacher want to teach in Hindi. Teacher will select Hindi language. The whole menu will convert in Hindi. If you can see, every menu is converted into Hindi. Like similarly, if teacher can select Kannada and Tamil from this menu. We have also developed MyUboard on Wikipedia page, which contains every information about MyUboard. For any features you are facing in trouble in implementing, you can visit MyUboard wiki and search for it. It will guide you. Let's take an example of AI pen. Search AI pen in this box. It will show you how to use AI pen in my UBoard. You may also find video tutorial for this. On Wikipedia, teacher can also find different teaching content for different subjects for the student of to relate it. As you can see, there are thousands of content for the teachers to utilize according to their subject. Let's take an example. It's very easy, as you see. It's just one click away from you, and you can download any content from our MyU for Wikipedia page and take on your canvas. Now I will introduce you to the recording option features. If for some reason any student miss, then whole lecture can be recorded on our MVB. How we start with the capturing tool. In that you have find the option of screen recording option. Select this screen recording option. You can also select from then you have option to uh, select resolution. In that you have a two resolution option. After selecting this resolution, the timer will come, and you can after finishing timer, the recording will be start. Now I have drawn one this circle. If I want to stop after this lecture, I will go to the stop button. Now you can see this video will come. Then after you post this button save option, it will ask the part to save this video, and after that you can save this whole lecture. MyUboard software also contains 2 million plus educational videos for 40 plus subjects for teacher to utilize. For that, click here on MyUboard clips. Since it's very difficult to restrict content on YouTube for kids, teachers can always use video clips from here to illustrate about certain topics safely. Let's take an example. Here you can see so many videos related to this topic, and there are so many subjects available here under your left side. we have inbuilt animation library. For kids to understand animal characters, sports rule, and many other things animatively. As you can see, there are different animal characters for the kids. Simply, you can drag and drop animals from your canvas.
Agree.
Another feature of my viewboard is that it has inbuilt background content for the teacher to choose as per their daily curriculum. Click here, you will find 10 different subjects as per teacher requirement. Let's take an example. A chemistry teacher want to give lecture on periodic table. Then teacher will select science from this subject, and then teacher will select this periodic table and click on this page. Teacher will find periodic table on their background. Let's take another example. If geography teacher want to show India or world map, teacher will select geography subject, and after that teacher will apply this page, and you will find that India map on your background as a on your canvas. Now we will talk about infinite screen canvas. For maths teacher who solve a lengthy equation, sometimes it's difficult for them to continue the equation in the same line. So my viewboard software has a feature which could give you infinite space to write. Let's take one example. Teacher writing this equation on their IFP. Now they want to draw or circle also. So let's change this canvas into infinite canvas. This way, teacher can explore infinite canvas with uh, he can or she can make understand the equation also and the shape of the equation also.